Great compatibility, compatible with Caterpillar, Case, John Deere, Bobcat, Komatsu, Hitachi, Sany, Sumitomo, Kawasaki, Kato, Kobelco, Dresser, Hyundai, Gel, Genie, Grove, Manitowoc, Lugong, Ammon, Demig, Ingersoll Rand, New Holland, Terex, Daewoo and most USA, Japanese and European brand excavator construction machinery. Widely used in construction, machinery, shipping, chemical industry, mining, petroleum, etc. Includes two intelligent digital pressure gauges, 0-700 bar/10,000 psi/70 MPa 9 type test couplings, 1x G1/8, 1x G1/4, 1x G3/8, 1x M10-1, 1x M10-1.25, 1x M14*1.5, 1x UNF7/16-20, 1x UNF9/16-18 and 1x NPT1/4-18 3-type quick connectors, 2 test hoses and a sturdy aluminum carrying case. Perfect design, available with various port connections to meet different installation needs. It is flexible use, simple operation, easy debugging, safety and reliability. Can be used to measure gas, liquid, oil and non-corrosive mediums of stainless steel. Both the 263 inches/1.6